health and wellness, it's not just about one specific avenue or one specific aspect of the body. Sleep, self-care, rest, chiropractic care, exercise, nutrition, all of these components together make up a healthy individual.
Then we're going to do some exercises and some stress relief that we can take home. As you stretch, take some deep breaths in through your nose. You can do circular motions down that muscle and almost go more towards the back of your neck.
If you feel stuck, we can think about it all together. So yeah, go for it.